Yeah, that's a huge chunk.
Oh.
Look at that. We're back up on the mesa, baby. Summer 2024. First project. It's a small project, but it's a very necessary project for my son. I'm gonna make him a basketball hoop. So I'm gonna take some of the old siding from the shed here. Those are actually this was a piece from when I cut the door in when I built the shed, or the cabin portion here. So you got that chunk, I got it measured out here. Throw some bolts in there, reinforce, go from there. We'll be playing some basketball up on the mesa, some 10 feet high hoops. That's the plan. Project number one, the summer trip up on the mesa. We've got a basketball hoop up on the mesa. Either way. It's a tight squeeze. Oh God, got me. You're like, I'm looking already. This is where we find the PET, petrified wood. The pet. But it is kind of all in those washes, I guess. There's some fresh poop. Old poop there. Here's a big piece of petrified wood. Check it out. Yeah. Wow. That's a huge chunk. Oh, wow. Look at that. How cool is that? That's so sweet, eh? That is so cool. Giant chunk. That might be our quote. You could take 25 pounds a day, that might be it. We'll leave it.
Leave it?
Yeah, we'll leave it.
Well, no, let's take it. Why do you want to leave it?
You want to carry that?
That's
our first one we find, and it's that.
I'll carry the bag.
Okay.
Okay.
You can carry that
Put
right
it
now.
in. I'll carry the bag. I'll carry the bag.
This kid.
I'll carry it.
The bag is already pretty heavy, just so you know.
I feel. Okay.
I'll carry it, dude.
Let's go.
Here's a piece right here.
Yeah, this is where it's coming from.
Oh, you see that piece right there? Right there.
Right there?
To your right, right there. There's a big chunk to your right. Up to your right. Boom, right there. You can just look at that color. It's got that like pinkish almost to it. Oh, that's one, totally.
I think it is. But I don't know what the color.
Yeah, it is. You're absolutely right, it is. Nice.
Right in blue. Maybe in Petrified. I might have been on. Go on the other side and back up though. I got an idea right
Yeah, I'm here.
there. It wouldn't work.
That's kind of sketchy. Come over here.
What,
Why don't you-
Brian?
No, this hole up here.
Why?
I don't.
Something in it, maybe?
No, there's nothing in it.
What's sketchy?
Just I can't see in it. That's all. You tell me. Tell me if there's track.
On this one?
Yeah, right around that corner. Careful though.
There's nothing in it, it's just poop.
A lot of poop going into it. Yeah. Come around this way. Oh, that's crazy.
Can you see in it or no?
A little bit.
You gotta come up here.
Yeah, there's a hole that comes out the backside here.
I can go in there, look. Actually, no.
I wouldn't.
There's no exit in there.
There's no exit. It's literally like a little cave.
There's a passageway for me. And the thing that also petrified wood built in here. Isn't this look like petrified here?
Yeah, it's not though.
I like climbing these things.
Oh, yeah.
Other words, I love climbing these things.
Oh, I hope the sound picked that up. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it was good. Oh, look at, there's a motorcycle parked up here.
What?
There's a motorcycle parked up here. Whose is that?
I gotta look around, see what's around.
Oh. Little elk jerky. Got that in piece. Don't lose it. Pretty sure we could eat that whole thing.
I'm pretty sure we could have bought it. But, I don't know. Maybe chicken.
I don't know.
Making a collection.
I think this is borderline paradise. That does it on day one of Petrified Wood Hunt up here on the lower half of the mesa. Worked out pretty well. Came up with some good scores on the day. We'll be back. This is the spot, always produces Petrified.
No giveaways though.
Yeah, no giveaways, not telling you where. But yeah, we'll be back. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful night. Time to go.
You said gotta go at the end?
Time to go.